Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Hussein is here with another video, and today I'm super excited because I'm going to obviously introduce you to my new project bike. The sun is so sharp. It's not a brand new bike as always, right? But I don't know if you saw the video that I posted about that new DRZ400S which I bought recently. You know, for the past 3 years I have owned both DRZ400s and XR650Ls. But the thing is, I've never had them all at the same time. Always there has been a gap between my ownership, so I never had a chance to compare these two at the same time. You know, riding one and jumping on the other one to see how they feel and how different they are. I know like DRZ400 and XR650L, they both have their own, you know, fan bases, you know, and people go crazy about them. Ever since I got the DRZ400S like last month, I realized that I really need to have a closure for myself, right? So I decided to look for an XR650L to buy and then have both of them, DRZ and XR650L, at the same time. Just spend some time on them, riding them both, and then get the sense, and then decide which one I'm going to keep and which one I'm going to sell. I found this 2013 XR650L, which I'm going to show you right now. So about this specific video, this is not a comparison video between the RZ400 and XR650L. This is basically the intro to the XR650L. I'm going to show you the bike. I'm going to post another video to compare these two and basically to tell you what is my take and what are the major differences between these two bikes. This XR650L, this is a 2013 year model. It's got like 7,000 miles on it. So at this point, I'm not really concerned about the health or like mechanic of the bike because it's already in good shape. It's got some upgrades, you know. The previous owner, they have upgraded the original gas tank with a Clark. This is a Clark or Clark A oversized gas tank, which obviously I prefer the white or red, but this is the transparent one because you can see the level of the gas. Also, it's got the it's not up. So it's got the upgraded FMF exhaust. But the good thing is the previous owner already gave me the original gas tank, which is like brand new. They upgraded this gas tank like exactly at the time that they purchased it new. So I already have the original gas tank and original exhaust. I don't have anything to do with the original exhaust. I just keep it. I'm gonna keep the FMF on, but for now I'm going to basically put back the original gas tank. I mean, it might sound weird to you, but you know, right now I don't have any like long travel plans, so I prefer the look of the original because I'm gonna do some photo shoots, and for the sake of comparison, I want to have the original versus original with the DRZ, right? I'm gonna remove this rack. Sound like it comes very handy, but I don't really like the look of it. It's just, you know, it's so wide. Now I'm gonna start the bike so you can hear that lovely FMF pipe. So this one. That should be it for now. I'm gonna just ride it, and then hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, feel free to put comments. What do you think about this one? Is there any specific comparison that you want me to do between XR650L and DRZ400S, just let me know in the comments below. And other than that, well, thanks for watching. Ride safe out there, and cheers.